Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. This is JBL Boombox 3 Wi-Fi connectivity and Bluetooth connection. This speaker deserves your attention. It's with massive JBL original Pro sound with deepest bass with 24 hours of battery life from a portable speaker. Stream high definition music anywhere with your JBL Boombox 3, including 3D Dolby Atmos over Wi-Fi network, taking a call or strolling your feed. Go ahead, it won't interrupt your music. You can easily switch to Bluetooth and keep enjoying seamless audio experience, whether you are indoor or outdoor. With battery life of 24 hours of playtime and waterproof and dust-proof design, this speaker is IP67, power bank, chargeable, portable. So with waterproof and dust-proof design, you are always ready for all-day adventure. Stream music through AirPlay, Alexa multi-room music, Chromecast built-in, Spotify Connect. Enjoy all of your favorite audio content, internet radio, podcast in high definition wherever you go. And this is with eco-friendly material. Output power, this speaker got 80 watts RMS subwoofer, 2 times 40 watts RMS mid-range, plus 2 times 20 watts RMS tweeter for AC mode. And the charging time is 4.5 hours and maximum play time is 24 hours. So this speaker, in terms of the features, built-in Wi-Fi, yes. 3D Dolby Atmos, yes. Bluetooth, yes. Charging cable, you need JBL One app, power bank, waterproof, wireless, rechargeable battery, IP67, and dustproof, yes. So basically, we're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope it helps you to make an informed choice. I'm excited. JBL, dare to listen. Nice recycle material. Here we go. Brilliant. This is the information pack and the power cable information pack. Power cable. This one is 3-pin power cable. Nice, look at that, quite heavy, brilliant stuff. Nice handle, you can see what it looks like. Stand it upright this way, and at the back, so we have the power cable port and USB port. So if you take the power cable, go at the back, connect it to the power, then connect this to the socket. So this speaker, you switch it on and off from this button. This button is Bluetooth. Plus is for you to increase the volume, minus is for you to decrease the volume. This button is pause and play. So this button is for you to press hard to play the set playlist and speaker setting preset in the JBL One app. To set this speaker up, you need to press the Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth is highlighting looking for available Bluetooth device. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store, download JBL One app, select JBL One app, install it on your mobile phone, open it up, select open. Now it's discovering the product, and they found the product JBL Boombox 3 Wi-Fi. Then select connect. The product is ready to play a tune, and press the heart button. Your mobile phone is connected. Now we need to connect to Wi-Fi network. So we picked up available Wi-Fi network, select connect. Now it's connected, checking the latest firmware. This will take up to 20 seconds. Now it's updating. The product will be updated to the latest software to ensure the best performance. You are all set. Select done. Chromecast built-in is available. Enable Chromecast. Chromecast built. Do you want to help improve everyone's experience by sharing the device start and crash report? No, thank you. This product is ready and it's showing us online, and 41% battery. You can select music and play music. So you select music. For instance, you can select Amazon Music, and equalizer. For equalizer, you can select the bars or adjust it on mid or treble. If you want to connect it to Bluetooth, then you go to your phone settings, go to connections, select Bluetooth, then and also make sure the Bluetooth is on. And the Bluetooth is on. JBL Boombox 3 Wi-Fi, select connect. Bluetooth pairing request, select pair. Connected for audio. So this speaker is connected via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi network, and we want to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. So go to saved music.
But low key, you know that you one of a kind. Wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels so right, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. Fashionably late. Wind up on the place, not all of the guys want you. Shut it down. Knows how to move it and checking what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. We making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like someday you can flip us. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Yeah, baby, do you know if you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me? She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. Baby, do you know if you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me? She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing, yeah, my thing. She said, let me know when my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your Phoenix tonight. Come on and ride.
Thank you very much indeed, guys. This speaker deserves your attention. Powerful 2.1 channel speaker that deserves your attention. Thank you very much. It's value for money. JBL Boombox 3 with Wi-Fi connectivity and Bluetooth connection. 24 hours of battery life. I'm happy with this speaker. It deserves your attention. It's value for money. Thank you.